It's such a shame if you haven't bought a Chanel 25 bag yet. I'll tell you about my experience owning it. So it has officially been 2 weeks since I got, first of all, this is a very expensive bag. If you really want it, you don't need to spend $6,100 because I found Lucy and I only spent less than a sixth of that amount. This is in the caviar leather, which is just grained calf skin with brushed gold hardware. What I love most about this bag is the functionality. It does come with 2 pockets on both ends. Obviously, this bag is super spacious. I also love that it has this little chain which actually tightens and loosens the entrance of the bag, which makes your stuff feel like it's very secure. I do not regret purchasing this bag, not one bit. I wear her pretty much every single day. I love her, I'm obsessed with her. Buying this bag, I feel like this is your sign.